In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to crochet the Sweetheart Purse, a cool it piece with shell stitch that adds the final touch to every outfit. We will be using 3 skeins of ribbon, a crochet hook 8mm that's a US size 11, magnetic snap buttons, a needle, and obviously thread, and some scissors. We included links to every single product we're using, as well as the pattern itself. It's absolutely free, so go ahead and grab it. We're gonna start off with the main pattern, which is the shell stitch, and in row 1 we are going to chain 26. Now we're gonna do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. To make a single crochet, we're gonna insert our hook into the next stitch, pick up the thread and pull a loop, yarn over, and then we're gonna pull through both loops. We're gonna skip the next 2 chains, and then we are gonna make a shell stitch in the next chain space in our foundation chain. And the way we do that is we're gonna be doing 5 double crochets into the same stitch. To make a double crochet, we yarn over, we insert our hook in the stitch or the chain in this case, we pull out the loop, then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. We're going to do this 5 times in total. We're going to skip the next 2 chains and then we're going to single crochet in the next chain. We're basically going to repeat this part by skipping 2 chains, making a shell stitch in the next chain and then skipping 2 chains and single crochet in the next chain until we've reached the end of the row. In row 2, we're going to start off with chaining 3, and this counts as the first double crochet. And now we're going to make 2 double crochets in the first single crochet. Skip the next 2 double crochets, single crochet in the next double crochet, and now we're going to start a pattern repeat. We're going to start making our first shell, so we're going to be making 5 double crochets in the next single crochet, we're now going to skip the next 2 double crochets and single crochet in the next double crochet, and we're going to be repeating this until we get to the end of the row. And then we are going to be making 3 double crochets in the last single crochet. Now it's time for row 3. We're going to start with chaining 1, and then we're going to turn our work and make a single crochet in the first double crochet. And now we will start a pattern repeat of obviously the shell stitches. So we're going to be making 5 double crochet in the next single crochet. Then we're going to be skipping the next 2 double crochets and single crochet in the next double crochet and skipping the next 2 double crochet. And we're going to repeat this until the end of the round. And then we're going to finish off with a single crochet in the top of chain 3. And from now on, we're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach 28 rows in total or your desired length. Finish off with a row 2 and let's move on to the next step. For the next row, we're going to make a row 2. We're going to chain 3 and continue as before. This is what our finished piece looks like, and the last row is a row 2. Now it's time to make the right and left sides. So start off with making a row of single crochets around the rectangle except for the last row. Work 3 single crochets in each corner and 1 single crochet through each shell single crochet of the first row. Cut and weave in the ends. Connect your next color to the corner and crochet a row of double crochets in each single crochet in the back loop only. You should have a total of 31 double crochets. Don't cut the yarn. Here's a little side note. The back loops are the ones close to the inner side of the purse. The front loops are the ones close to the outer side of the purse. Fold the rectangle so that the outer sides are facing each other and start joining the second color row from the wrong side in the front loops only. It seems like it's in the back loop since we folded the piece. The wrong side of the work and the right side of the work. Now repeat the same steps for the second time. Now both sides are done and we will start crocheting the 2 stripes of 6 hearts. In our bright color, we are going to start chaining 7, which is the base of the heart. Then we're going to make 3 treble crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. To make a treble crochet, we yarn over twice. We insert our hook. Pick up the thread and pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. And one more time, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Make 2 double crochets in the next chain. Two single crochets in the next chain. Slip stitch in the last chain. Turn your heart and start working through the second loop of chain 7 base. Make 2 single crochets, 2 double crochets in the next loop, 3 treble crochets in the next loop. Chain 3, slip stitch in the same loop, and repeat this until you reached your desired length. Crochet 2 stripes of 6 hearts. Now we're going to start off with a single crochet strip, and in row 1 we are going to chain 66. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and from here on single crochet in every single chain to the end of the row. Now we're going to sew the single crochet strip and heart strip together and sew it on the purse with our super cute sides. Place a magnetic snap button, crochet a heart, and sew it on the purse. And there it is, our purse is ready to go out for a stroll. It's a great statement purse. It's really pretty and relatively easy to crochet. The shell stitches are tight enough that you don't need to line the purse, which is super great because then you don't compromise on the design. If you like this tutorial, leave a comment, tell us what tutorial you would like to see next, give us a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe to our channel for more yarny content, and we will see you next time.